let's talk about your business. Of all the stuff you do at work every day, what do you do the best? You know, the want-tos. The stuff that fires you up and makes you love to do the work you do so well. Okay, you got them? So, you probably don't spend much time actually doing those things, do you? More than likely, it's the other tasks that fill your days. The ones that are, sure, critical to your business, but they're not exactly what drew you to the business in the first place, right? So, wouldn't it be nice if you could focus more on the first list? The stuff you do best. And maybe rely instead, let's say, on an experienced industry partner to help with the rest. Well, that's us, CAT Job Site Solutions. We help put the innovation, skill, and expertise of Caterpillar and CAT dealers to work for your site. Basically, we help you move more material, but in less time and at a lower cost. We help you realize the full potential of your equipment. We help you drive a culture of safety excellence. And we help you achieve your environmental objectives. We even help by enabling you to better manage your expenses and more efficiently invest your capital. Together with your organization, from your day-to-day operations teams to your company leadership, we combine all of our individual expertise to develop a customized solution for your site, execute it on your behalf, and commit to achieving results. So, basically, we do the rest, and you focus more on whatever it is you do best. And that is CAT Job Site Solutions.